Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we found and thought would be perfect for gamers and streamers alike, the FIFINE A6T+H6 gaming microphone and headset kit. We've included a link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The FIFINE A6T+H6 is a comprehensive kit designed to elevate your gaming and streaming experience. It features a high-quality USB condenser microphone paired with a comfortable wired headset that boasts immersive 7.1 surround sound. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, podcasting, or just chatting online, this kit aims to enhance your audio quality and overall performance. One of the standout features of the A6T microphone is its cool lighting design. The two-tone automatic gradient RGB LED adds a touch of flair to your setup, making your gaming videos and live streams visually striking. This RGB lighting not only looks great but also complements your gaming accessories, creating a vibrant atmosphere that can truly set your channel apart. Another great feature is the ease of use. The microphone comes with a touch mute button conveniently placed on the top, allowing you to mute the mic with just a tap of your hand. This is particularly useful during intense gaming sessions when you need to quickly silence your mic without missing a beat. The large volume knob at the bottom ensures you can easily adjust your audio levels without taking your eyes off the action. What's more, this microphone kit is incredibly user-friendly. It's a plug-and-play device compatible with Windows, Mac, and even PS4/5. No complicated setup or additional plugins are needed. The microphone uses a Type-C interface, making it easy to connect even in low-light conditions, and the generous 8.3-foot USB cable gives you plenty of length to position your mic just how you like it. When it comes to sound quality, the FIFINE A6T+H6 excels with its virtual 7.1 surround sound capability. This feature can give you a competitive edge in gaming by allowing you to hear the slightest details, like footsteps or distant gunshots, which can be crucial for early reactions and strategic gameplay. The immersive sound experience can transport you into the game world, making every session engaging. Comfort is also a priority with this kit. The headset is designed with soft materials for the headband and earmuffs, ensuring that you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Even if you wear glasses, you'll find that this headset accommodates your needs without causing pressure on your ears or head. So, who is this kit suitable for? If you're a gamer, streamer, podcaster, or someone who frequently participates in online chats, the FIFINE A6T+H6 is a fantastic choice. It's designed for anyone looking to improve their audio setup without the hassle of complicated installations. In summary, the FIFINE A6T+H6 gaming microphone and headset kit combines style, ease of use, and impressive sound quality to enhance your gaming and streaming experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.